Hello, welcome back to my channel, the Crochet Yarn and Hook Studio. I hope everyone is good and living the best life. Today I bring a tutorial on a clip. We are going to make a small beautiful clip, and this is the base that we are going to use to create a beautiful floral clip, and this is going to be a hair accessory that we can use. For making this beautiful tutorial, we will be needing some colors, and I have chosen this deep pink color for the flower and this green color for the leaves. For the base, it's a fleet sheet that is going to be pasted underneath the on the top of the base of the clip. So this is going to be the style of a clip. It's the bases are available in market if you are looking for such type of things. So let's begin with the flower that we have to start with. I'm using 2.5 mm crochet hook number, and I'm using a thin yarn to make this flower. It's a rose flower that I'm going to paste in the center of the clip. So we will take almost 35 to 40 chains to start with the central flower. Now these are total number of 40 chains. I will start with my second chain. I will put almost 5 double crochet at the very start. Five double crochet, then single crochet in next two chains, again 5 double crochet in the next chain, single crochet in next two chains, five double crochet in next chain, single crochet in next two chains, now we are going to continue this sequence. Single two chains in two chains, single crochet in two chains, and 5 double crochet in the third chain. So we are going to continue with this sequence, and we will go till the end of the 40 chains. And let me just finish, and I will come back after it. we are just turning all the sides outward, and in this way we will be having the shape of petals. If I want to make it more closer to each other, then I will do more nearer to the sides. Still, the turning is outwards, of course, but you can see that all the petals are coming like this. So this is the center, and after gluing it, you can also sew it, but I will glue this all, and while gluing this all thing, I will also do the turning of the whole petals that we have created. So the center flower is done. Now it's the time to make the leaves. To make a leaf, I have chosen this green color. It's a matcha green color, and in my previous videos you have seen that I have used this color a lot in many projects. So this is somehow a very neutral type of green that you can use it. And to make leaves, this is for a little bit thicker than this yarn, so but I'm using the same 2.5 mm crochet hook number. We will start with chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are going to make the slip stitch here. Then in my next step I will do single crochet, then half double crochet in the next step, and after that I will do few of my double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet here, slip stitch in the last stitch, now come towards the second side, and we are going to do directly a single crochet here, and then double crochet till 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half double crochet here, single crochet here, three chains, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch in the top. After dragging a little bit yarn, I'm going to cut that out. And then I will sew it. But you can see the shape of a leaf is exactly the same that we were looking for. Okay, after finishing it, I have to make almost 6 leaves in total. 3 leaves will come to this side and 3 leaves will come to the other side, and then we will going to attach it on the top of the base of the clip. This is the fleet sheet, and I'm going to cut little bit and let me just tell you how you are going to measure it. So we just need the exact measurement of the clip here, like this. We are going to give a small cuts on both sides. Like this. The excessive sides we will just cut and make a little bit smoother edges. So this is how we have just fixed our fleet on the base of the clip. I will glue that all, and after finishing my all these leaves, I will be right back and you will see the final look of it, how it will look. So the basic thing that we have to do here is we will glue the base with the fleet, then the base is ready, and after that we will put our 3 leaves to this side, flower, and 3 leaves to the other side, and we will simply glue it, and you can see the neatness and the strength of binding of all the things will be together with the help of a glue stick. So let me just show you the final look.